right, and our next caller, we've got Daryl holding for us from Perry. Hi, Daryl.
How you doing?
Doing
Hey,
good.
Daryl.
Hey, Daryl.
What's your question for us tonight?
Okay, I'm a property owner, and I don't have any no trespassing signs, and I don't have any fences. Usually I have kids going across my yard. Now, if a kid goes across my yard on his own without me inviting him, and he gets hurt, am I liable?
Well, Daryl, let me ask you this. What's the main reason for them going across your yard? Is there anything on your property they're trying to get to, or are they just trying to cross your property? Or
They just walking across because my kids are grown. I have no kids.
Yeah.
So they usually passing through going to somebody else's house.
Gotcha. Yeah, again, I mean, I think they're going to be considered a trespasser, but obviously if it becomes an issue, you may want to put some signs to try to make it clear you don't want people using your property as a way of egress across. So that may be a good idea in the future if it keeps happening.
Yeah, trespassers are usually okay against.
Yeah.
Y'all, what about if you're hurt in somebody else's car? You know, you're the passenger. That has nothing to do with what he was talking about, but
Yeah.
it was just something that kind of popped in my head about if you're hurt, like whose insurance do you go to first, your own or who's the person whose car you ran?
Well, it depends on who caused the accident. So if the person if the driver of the vehicle you're in was the cause of the accident, you may have to access that route. Again, if it's another vehicle, that may be the first line. So it just depends on who caused the accident.
Or both of them.
Yeah, or both. Yeah, you may have fault against both. And then obviously, for us, we always think about uninsured motorist coverage, which is your own insurance coming in if there's not sufficient coverage to pay for your treatment and your injury. So, like we always say, it depends on the facts.
Yeah, that's why you need a lawyer so he knows which insurance company to go against, or which
Yes.
insurance companies.
We need that navigation from y'all.
That's right.